A, B, X, Y? Nope. Okay. Fuck, I don't remember how to do this stupid password. I think the one for Super Star Wars you had to actually enter into the menu. This one, I believe it's on the title screen. A, B, B, X, X, Y, Y, A, B, X, Y, A, B, X, Y. Nothing. Shit. It's gonna be driving me insane if I can't do it, so I'm gonna Google it. Super Return of the Jedi debug password. You don't have to hold L and R on controller 2. I've never had to do that. At the main menu, hold L and R on controller 2 and press the password I just did on controller 1. That's not right. It should be... There's infinite thermal detonators, that's cool. Invincibility and display coordinates. During any side-scrolling level, hold A, B, X, and Y and press select. Okay. Again, you shouldn't have to hold down L and R on controller 2. Because I've never had someone to do that. Damn. That can't be right. Fuck that laughter, I hate it. This one says the same thing, hold it on controller 2, and I've never had to do that. But you can get unlimited thermal detonators by doing BX, 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 BBB, Y. Okay. 99 lives, that's useful. 7 continues. Few credits. I'm gonna reset the game like hard reset. Check this out. JVC and stereo. Okay. That time it worked! That time it fucking worked! Thank you, Wicket, for making your sound to tell me you worked. So now that I've entered the debug code, we can fuck with the logo. Make it spin. Be like, whoa, holy shit, there's Star Wars going on. Is anyone still watching? Does anybody care anymore? I don't even know. Here, let's watch it backwards. You've never seen it backwards before, have you? Never. You can also scroll it. Alright, so this time I'm gonna have unlimited thermal detonators. So the second stage will not be a problem. I'm just gonna use the cheat code to get to the second stage, and I'm gonna run through it again, beat the boss. And, then we will continue from there where we left off before. It'll be great. This also unlocks every character, so I can play as fucking Wicket from here on out if you guys really want. Wicket the Ewok, played by a very young Warwick Davis. And I remember this took me years to figure out. You actually have to hold down. Or not years, but it took me a long time to figure out how to beat this stupid level. You actually have to hold down to make the speeder bike nose up to cross these caps. And meanwhile, B is thrust and Y is the jump button. Hey, Coiler. I have been working on many different projects at once, and then like when the new Star Wars trailer came out, I really wanted to stream this game, and I couldn't because a friend came into town. We had to clear up for a week, so I couldn't stream for the last week because we had a house guest. Ah. That's okay. But now we're back. Now we're doing the level skip. Oh yeah, Leia has 3 different costumes. There's Leia, Leia Bouche, and Leia Rebel. And Rebel Leia is pretty fucking cool. Yeah, fuck y'all, I got my blaster. I'm Leia Alderaan, my parents are dead, except for that one guy who's gonna die later. Oh yeah. Anyway. Stage clear. We're gonna use regular Leia for this one, which is Leia in her sexy metal bikini. The one Shantae wore in Shantae and the Pirates of Carrots. I don't think she wanted to stream. She's not really interested in gaming, honestly. Like, I have Sonic Generations in the PS3 right now, so she was playing that, but aside from that, she's not really been interested in playing anything. Fuck y'all! Fuck you guys! I got a fucking Simon Belmont ass whip here. Beats the crap out of your hair whips, stupid dancers. But I've also been working on stuff. I have a lot of projects going on right now. Like different writing projects. One of the big ones, actually, I really wish I could unveil it today, but I probably can't because I'm waiting for my artist to do something for me, but my artist friend. Oh, by the way, I do not have invincibility, apparently, so this is still just kind of legit-ish. All it's given me is infinite thermal detonators, the character select, and the level skip. So I still actually have to play the game, apparently. But that's good, because, you know, if I didn't play the game, things would be bad. Ah, I just really don't want to die right now. Ah. Don't knock me in, don't knock me in. Fuck you. Yes, that was a loading time on fucking Super Nintendo. Yeah, fuck you. You've never owned a Super Nintendo? I'm so sorry, your childhood must have been so bad. Who's there? I can't see. Someone who loves you. That was my impression of Leia taking off her Bouche helmet. I recognize that laugh. It is truly unfortunate. I am so sorry. So this is the Rancor pit. You're supposed to do this level as Luke. I like doing it as both Luke and Chewie has a very silly face going on right now. Look at that. He's just like... But it's the Rancor pit, so you have to play as Luke. Oh, this one's really good as Chewie, though. Is this not the Rancor pit? It's gotta be... No, that's the next stage. This is, like, the interior of Jabba's palace. You're supposed to play this one as Luke. Or Chewie. Breaking into the palace. And then, the next one's Rancor. That's right. I remember things from 1997. I love the music direction in this one. Like, it's so much better than the other two. Like, it's very true to the film. It's very nice. I like it. Like, they suddenly realized, oh shit, Super Nintendo can do good MIDI samples for instruments. This is great. Aw, can I really not grab that? There it goes. Oops. Shit. There. So I was trying to say something about a thing, and I totally forgot what it was. So if you guys could remind me, that would be awesome. If not, cool. We can just get a new topic going on. I'm pirates. I'm kind of just been like a... Oh, writing stuff, yes. So, as you may or may not know, some of you know because you follow me on Twitter, and Twitter has been very kind to me. I've launched a new game site, and it's not officially launched yet, but I have the domain up. The site's actually up right now. It's just, it doesn't look very good at the moment. But once a site banner and a logo are done, I am going to launch my inaugural article that's actually an original article, because I took a... Hey, Super Game Boy's pretty awesome, gotta say. I was allowed to take my articles from, or my reviews and like editorials from Gamnesia and Zelda Informer and put them on my new site, because it's not a news site, it's a, it's specifically like, did I just get a life? Cool. It's specifically for like editorials, reviews, and criticism and things like that. It's not a news site whatsoever. And anyway, so I have my old articles ported over, as well as Adam's. He used to work for Gamnesia as well. And but the first original article on the website is going to be a big expose. I talked about it during Mario 64, and I said I wanted to write it out. And I've been wanting to write it out as an article for about 2 or 3 years now, and I finally did it. I finally wrote the article going into great detail, using the games as canon source for why Sonic the Hedgehog is the best story in gaming, for being the story of one hedgehog's struggle to accept his own homosexuality. And that is going to be the inaugural article, and I'm very proud of it right now. It's just I'm waiting for the site to get the banners done so I can go ahead and post it and be like, yeah, I wrote that. That's my magnum opus right there. That is the pinnacle of game journalism. Fuck, where am I supposed to go? Oh, Luke died. Why did you die, Luke? But last time I logged into Twitch, I actually went ahead and added a link to it, so you'll see it like right there under the